Does your business feel stuck? It's probably not because you're not working hard enough. It could be because your systems aren't working with you. Before I talk marketing strategy with any client, I go straight to the foundation. That means auditing 3 specific systems that quietly make or break your results. Most business owners are pouring energy into visibility while leads, waste time, opportunities. And I want to help you fix that. So the first system I audit every single time is your website. Why? Because it's your digital home base. It's not just about having a place online. It's about having a place that works for your business. So them things to ask. Does it clearly explain who you help and how you help them? Is there an obvious next step for the edit? Is there an obvious next step for the visitor to take? Whether that be booking, buying, or reaching out. If your site isn't guiding people to take action, I'm here to share with you, it's just online decor. We need it to do more than look good. It needs to work. So then the second one is the follow-up process and your CRM, your client relationship management software. Because here's the truth. You might not want to hear it, but marketing only gets people to the door. What happens after someone inquires? That's where most businesses lose traction. Do you have automations or templates set up for follow-up? Are you tracking leads and conversions in a way that's simple but also consistent? Even 1 or 2 small improvements here can turn missed opportunities into book clients. Now, the third system is your internal workflow, how you actually spend your time. And this turns out to be a big one. Are you doing everything from memory? Do repetitive live in your head instead of a process? Is your calendar filled with priorities or just noise? And I'm here to share with you all, this was a big thing for me, this step right here. And this is where we reclaim time. Reduce actually makes space for growth. It's not about doing less. It's about doing the right things with less chaos. If your website and workflow aren't aligned, your marketing cannot do its job. These systems aren't extras. They're the engine behind sustainable growth. You fix the foundation and everything else becomes easier to build.